months, we had to, move from working at the office to working from home. And, surrounding us, like there were a lot of news about COVID. People, die, the family member died because of COVID. So team management is not only the work that I do at the office, the work that I do for the customer, but also the spirit, the connection as well.
So with this one, I want to move to the next point. This one. So this is also related to about your career as well too. As a country manager, a lot of youngster wants to become a country managers and they want to be a CEO, C-suite executives. Or let's be more specific about country manager. So I want to hear about your day-to-day basis. Like an example, as a country manager, what are the 5 things do you really focus so the viewers can learn so they can prepare the skill set to become a country manager? Please share.
Thank you. So, I mean, as the country manager, you have to make sure that the operation of the business is going, smooth every day. So we need to look at, the collaboration between team members, how is the work, the conversation with the customer, the finance. So there's a lot of things that you need to, think in my day-to-day job. So, the team management is not only about make sure that they do their task, make sure that they deliver what they ask by the customer, but also the collaboration between the team as well. Especially in the last 5 months, we had to move from working at the office to working from home. And surrounding us, like there were a lot of news about COVID. People die, the family member died because of COVID. So team management is not only the work that I do at the office, the work that I do for the customer, but also the spirit, the connection as well. So in Vietnam, I am managing a team around 20 people, and they are from sales, pre-sales, finance, technical department. So each of them have different job description to do, right? And we need to make sure that the collaboration between all team members is going well. So we need to have like the tools. For example, we use Slack, we use Telegram, we use Google Hangout to make sure that all of the conversation is happening smoothly. Everyone knows exactly what they need to do and what the other one needs someone else to do in order to do their job. Also, we need to keep, like a positive spirit for everyone as well. As I just said, like surrounding us, there are so many negative news. So we often have, we have to have regular employee well-being section where they can express themselves, where they can express their emotion, their difficulty, their challenge during work. Or we had the really great support from the regional that the company give the allowance support for the team to buy table or chair, or improve their internet at home, or buying like extra keyboard or extra screen, so that is when they work from home, it feels like they are working at the office. And one of the important things that I said earlier is learn every day. So we have the section to train and sharing the new knowledge for everyone. So, for example, the tech team train the sales team on a new technology that we just purchase, and how we can sell it to the customer. And because we are like international company, so we have a lot of collaboration between Vietnam, Singapore, India, the US, Indonesia. So collaboration between different team in terms of country level is also really important as well. So country manager, we set about a lot of operations, but myself, I also have to focus on the sales as well, pushing the sales team in order to get them achieve their target by the end of the month, so that everyone has their commission and everyone will be happy. So it's not just operation, but sales and collaboration, etc. So a lot of things going on for me. Yeah. You're on mute, John.
So viewers, this is the thing you need to focus with if you really want to be a country manager. So from the sharing, I want to summarize here for you. So if you want to be a country manager, these are the skills that you will need, because that's what Ms. V is doing right now. Number one is about your teamwork ability. Learn how to work with people and lead them forward. Number two is about lead the moral level of your team. You can see that she says so many things she's doing is about managing the team moral and supporting well-beingness and so on. So that's one of the things you have to learn. Number three is about you have to learn different way of boosting your collaboration with your team. And one of the great way of doing is one you can use in different kind of technology platforms. You mentioned a few of the names here. I believe you hear it already. Number four, it's not about only operations. You have to learn about sales management. You have to learn how to face the customer, and you have to learn how to help the sales team so they can do the result. And the number four is about if you want to be a country manager, you have to learn how to connect and how to build partnerships with related in the market, in your area with the right people. So that's one of the things you also mentioned about building partnership ability as well too. So thank you, V, for sharing those key aspects. It was been a great point for the viewers.